This is my third session of today because I just can't get enough. I was actually looking over some videos that I had, and I wanted to explain why, if you live in California in the Inland Empire, you need a lawyer after a car accident. Okay, you don't always need a lawyer after a car accident. If you're in a minor automobile accident, the person hits you, you exchange information, their insurance pays to repair your automobile, there's no personal injuries, no bodily injury, maybe you don't need a lawyer for your automobile collision. But if you live in the Inland Empire in California, that's the area of San Bernardino County and Riverside County. It also kind of includes some Los Angeles and even, not really Orange County, but some of Los Angeles County might be considered the Inland Empire. For example, like Claremont and Upland, some of these cities there. If you're from out of state, you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you've been involved in an automobile accident and you've been injured, you probably do need an attorney to at least speak with to get some legal advice. So what I'm giving you here is general advice. I'm a California attorney. I could help you if you've been injured in an automobile accident. For example, if you're listening to this or you come across this video, check out my website, www.napolinlaw.com. Talk to my assistant. It's in the chat right there. Or dial 866-NAPOLIN. Okay? And I'd be happy to... Chat disappeared. My chat window on Restream just went right into OBS. Where'd my chat screen go? Anyway, I'll have to leave that alone for the time being. So if you've been involved in an automobile collision, you're injured, speak to a lawyer. That's the only way you know if you're going to have a case or not. But it's always good to be prepared for what's to come ahead of you. And the only way you do that is you kind of have to have a map of knowing what's going to come up next. And if you have a lawyer who you can speak with, who can give you that feedback, then you kind of get an idea, oh, what kind of mode do I need to be in to protect myself in this legal battle that I'm potentially entering into? Because someone ran a red light or rear-ended me, and now I'm injured. Maybe you have broken bones. Maybe you need a surgery. Maybe you've had a surgery. Maybe you went in the ambulance. You're all bruised up. What do you do next? Who do you speak with? Do you talk to the insurance company? You need to speak with a lawyer if you've been in an automobile accident. So if you're wondering when you should get a lawyer after an automobile collision, remember that you need to speak with a lawyer as soon after the automobile collision as possible so that you can get the legal advice that you need. Okay, that's it for today. Alexander Napolin, Attorney at Large, goes live. I'm putting this video up so that anyone in the Inland Empire who comes across it could potentially say, hey, maybe I should get legal advice after an automobile accident because I'm concerned. Yes, of course you should. Dial 866-NAPOLIN. Ask for a free consultation. I'd be happy to come to the phone to speak with you. If you're in another state, though, can't help you there. I'd have to refer you out to another state. Okay, that's the end of my session today. I will see you all back here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Alexander Napolin, Attorney at Large, goes live answering your questions in the chat, going over current events from a legal perspective. 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. every weekday. Until tomorrow, have a good evening, and I'll see you then.